So when it comes to liquid mag in particular, our liquid mag, we suggest starting off with a half a teaspoon. You start off with a half a teaspoon for a week, and then consistently every single day, a half a teaspoon, take it in the morning. And then from there, the next week, so week 2, you're going to take 1 full teaspoon. From there, consistently. If you're not consistent, if you're taking it once, 2 times a week, 4 times a week, every other day, then you need to extend that time. If it's not every day, and instead of taking it for a week before you increase, you take it for 2 weeks until you can become consistent. You want your body to adjust and adapt. This is kind of from the ground up. You don't have to do it like that. We've seen some great results from people that just dive in, but in my opinion, starting off slow and building up your magnesium stores is a much better option. The 3rd week, you're gonna have the full serving is 1.5 teaspoons, and you can stay at that for the time being until you feel your body needs more.